Hi there, I'm Rera, and welcome to video 4 of the Microsoft Office tutorials with Incredible Connection. In this tutorial session, I'll be giving you a few tips on how you can use some of the powerful features in PowerPoint to build next-level presentations in no time. First, I'll show you how the Designer tool in Microsoft PowerPoint helps you efficiently design professional-looking presentation with the Morph and 3D capabilities, guaranteeing a presentation like no other. First off, let's create a blank PowerPoint presentation and add a title and an image. From the Design tab, I can select a suited theme. You'll notice that immediately PowerPoint's designer begins offering me design ideas. It's like my own professional designer offering me a variety of creative layout options for my presentation. How's that? Creating presentations has become so easy with the help of PowerPoint's built-in designer, suggesting ways I can improve my presentations every step of the way. Once I've finished adding all my information and designed all my slides to perfection with Designer, I can now add an extra layer of visual interest by animating my presentation with PowerPoint's Morph feature. Before you panic, let me show you how easy this is. All I need to do is highlight all my slides, navigate to the Transition tab in the ribbon and select Morph Transition. Just like that, Morph will look through my presentation and smoothly animate any changes between the slides for me. This even works for 3D objects. Well-designed presentations have never been so easy to make. And that concludes our 4th video in our tutorial series. If you've missed any of the previous videos, there are links in the description below. Remember, life is better when you live connected. See you soon.